Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But if you are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, and if you are not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend meal trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. So right from this support zone, this started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing more of the yellow flag and the blue arrows. And of course, it's because the market had been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course it is still buying at the moment, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance, and that's when it's going to sell. So for now, it's still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. So this is boom 500. These have been on uptrend for a while, even though there was a big pullback around there, but it went back up again to break out above the resistance zone and got to a new high. Okay, and right from there it was unable to break out above it, so it has started a downtrend. That is why we are having the red flag and of course the red arrows. Okay, so this is selling more at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback. It was a major one, and of course it went back there again to break out above it around there, and of course was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it came down again and tried it up again. Right now it is still buying, even though this might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, it will be buying up till it gets to this resistance. If it's unable to break out above it, then it's going to crash down again, but if it breaks out above it, then we may be looking at this region. Okay, so this is very important. So this is buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time. Okay, most especially once it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started a downtrend from this resistance zone. You can see the red flag, and it has been selling since then, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset, which is going to be the last one, is volatility 75. This 75 had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it sold for a while and went back there to see if it will be able to break out above it, but it was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend and still selling at the moment. Here is a support zone. Once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal you should do your own personal practice on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.